Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes from Arkham House Public Boys High School. Today I am going to teach you subject biology, class pre-9th. Let's start from chapter number 1. Here is chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Page number 2. Now we will start our topic, Introduction to Biology. What is biology? Biology is the scientific study of life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. It means the first word bios means life, second word is logos which means study, reasoning or thoughts. In this we will study about living things, their life cycles, the environment in which they live, what they eat and how they eat, etc. Now move to the next topic, divisions and branches of biology. There are three main divisions of biology. Number 1, zoology. Number 2, botany. Number 3, microbiology. Let's start from zoology. The word zoology is derived from two words, zoo and logy. Zoo means animal and logy means study. So in zoology, we will study about animals only, that in which environment they live, how their body parts work, and etc. Next, botany. The division of biology which deals with the study of plants. Botany in this way will study about plants, their life cycles, how they grow, how their seeds get dispersed, and etc. Number 3, microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, etc. Micro means small, biology means study of living things. So it means microbiology is the study of small living things which cannot be seen with naked eye. Just like bacteria, which is not be seen with our naked eye. Next, move towards branches of biology. There are a lot of biology branches. Number 1, morphology. Morphology is basically divided into two more branches. First one, internal morphology. Second one, external morphology. Morphology is derived from two words. First one is morph. Morph means study of structure or shape. Logy means study. So in this we will study about form and structure of living things, which may be internal or external. In internal morphology, we will study about internal parts like heart, lungs, etc. And in external, we will study external shape or structure of living things, just like bacteria, maybe cocci, round shaped, bacilli, and etc. Next is anatomy. In anatomy, the study of internal structure is called anatomy. It is also derived from two words, ana and tomy. Ana means up and tomy means cut. So it means to cut or dissect any part of living things, then study it. So it is called anatomy. Just like study of heart, study of lungs, study of stomach, and etc. Now move towards histology. Histology is the microscopic study of tissues is called histology. Histo means tissues and logy means study. So study of tissues is called histology, like cardiac tissues in our heart, epithelial tissues in humans, and etc. Now take an overview. Zoology, the study of animals. Botany, the study of plants. Microbiology, the study of small or microorganisms. Morphology, the study of form and structure of living things, may be external or internal. Anatomy, it is internal structures study is called anatomy. Next is histology, which one is the last of today's lecture. Histology is the study of tissues, just like cardiac tissues and etc. I hope you will understand this lecture. At the end, Allah Hafiz.